Welcome to Crucial Minds. This video will dive into some intriguing general knowledge questions and answers that will challenge and excite your mind. Let's begin. Question number 1. The tallest statue in the world, the Statue of Unity, is located near which dam? Sardar Sarovar Dam. Question number 2. Which sea lies between Asia and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. Question number 3. Which country has the most dams in the world? United States. Question number 4. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the President the power of pardon? Article 72. Question number 5. Which country is famous for the pyramids and the Sphinx? Egypt. Question number 6. Which country has no trees in the world? Qatar. Question number 7. Which two countries do the Maginot Line run between? France and Germany. Question number 8. Which state is the largest producer of copper in India? Madhya Pradesh. Question number 9. Which gas is considered a primary atmospheric pollutant? Carbon monoxide. Question number 10. Which country is known as the Red Island? Madagascar. Question number 11. In which country can you find the world's largest temple? Cambodia. Question number 12. Which one of the Indian rivers crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice? Mahi River. Question number 13. In which Indian state is the Flamingo Festival celebrated? Andhra Pradesh. Question number 14. Which Indian state is the famous hill station Manali located in? Himachal Pradesh. Question number 15. How far can you hear a lion roar? Eight kilometers, 5 miles. Question number 16. Which Indian state shares its borders with Myanmar, China, and Bhutan? Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 17. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? Sania Mirza. Question number 18. Which is the largest national park in India? Hemis National Park. Question number 19. Which is the longest river flowing in Asia? Yangtze River. Question number 20. In which year did the Kargil War take place? (1999). Question number 21. When did radio broadcasting begin in India? (1927). Question number 22. How long did it take to draft the Indian Constitution? 2 years 11 months 17 days. Question number 23. What is the name of the Indian classical dance form that originated in Kerala? Kathakali. Question number 24. Which is the fastest flying insect in the world? Dragonfly. Question number 25. Which bird is called the king of birds? Eagle.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.